This is a rural school. It's a pretty dirt under the fingernails type of culture here. And it's really been obvious to have a program like Garden to Table where kids grow their own food and then cook their meal from it and then share it with their class and their whānau that come in. You can teach a child about the tikanga of a different culture, but if they eat the food and talk about the plants, it's a really tangible, easy, real example of learning about another culture and remembering it.
We can get a bit understanding and learn about their foods and their culture. One of the foods from the other cultures might become your favourite food of all, and vice versa. So then they can learn about us, our foods, our culture, and they might love one of our things as well.
It's real life lesson stuff for them. The quality of the produce that they end up with on the table is a direct reflection of the soil that it's grown in, the climate that we have here. If we have a dry summer, or if there's spray drift from a local orchard or something like that, it has a very direct and immediate impact on the quality of the produce that they can see. That shows kids how much of an impact climate has on what they're doing in the garden. The kids are really interested in what's going on with the planet and global warming and environmental issues.
If you know about it when you're younger, then you can get a better understanding about it when you're older and you can actually make a difference.
Everyone should learn about what they can do when they can have more of an influence.
If one country is trying to reduce their carbon emissions but all the other countries aren't, it's not going to make a huge difference, but if we can communicate with each other and everyone stop pollution and stuff, then it will help for climate change a lot more.
There's kids who are very keenly interested in what we're doing here at school in terms of waste minimisation, composting, recycling. They are going into the principal's office and saying we need to do a better job of collecting waste from lunchboxes and composting it. We're looking inside the recycle bin and we're seeing stuff that shouldn't be in there that's not recyclable, and then educating the rest of the kids. It's really fantastic to see that being driven from the children's interest.